data is a much higher, greater value than synthetic data.
Could you explain what is organic data? Because
organic data is basically
tech savvy here.
All the data that is extracted, in this case from computer vision, from actual vehicles going around the cities and analyzing real-world environment and situations. Synthetic data, on the other hand, is just a simulation. It's the AI itself that simulates situations. So you can generate patterns and you can generate bunches of data to train autonomous vehicles with both these set of data, synthetic data and organic data. The truth is, organic data is much more valuable, it's much more rich. So we use this rich data, which we pull out from driving schools, for example, students, and this data we can then pass it to players like Waymo, Mettis-AI, or even the car manufacturers for them to train their autonomous vehicle system instead of reacting to the human driver or human behavior to predict human behavior, to create these patterns and algorithms that predict the human behavior. So there is one part which is analysis of the data that comes out of the computer vision, and then there is a second part of the process data, which still comes from organic data that is then leveraged to train autonomous vehicles.
Really interesting. It reminds me the fact that in the training of models that we have these days, we hit a wall because they cipher all the web to have all the data, and it's where the next frontier of technology, quantum computing, can help by generating synthetic data that would be used to train the models. I know you all heard about DeepSeek that is capable of doing great things with less data. But what we have to understand here is to be able to have models that will be able later on to address, to be more complex and more to make less mistakes. We need to train them properly. And synthetic data is maybe a solution. And I will later on talk also about how, when you associate AI and quantum, you have an explosion. So Jaime,